Hi, I am Ali Osman Yalçın, co-founder of Green Tea, the super app for plant lovers. Like many plant apps, Green Tea helps users identify plant problems and offers personalized care advice. You will also get watering reminders, plant library, and daily care tips. But here's the difference. Here the difference. Green Tea is not just another plant. Green Tea is a super plant of the plant lovers. We connect users with nearby plant shops, nearby plant sales points, and let them discover local events, workshops, and offer exclusive discounts, our B2B2C partnerships. And our premium subscription includes early access to events, workshops, advanced care features, and real-time offers from our partnerships. So far, we are achieved over 2,000 downloads in more than 10 countries, and especially in France, Italy, and UK. We are currently in talks with leading retailers and plant sales points like Dobbies and Hillier in the UK and Koçtaş in Turkey. Instead of spending on generic ads, we grow partnerships directly with plant sellers, reaching real plant lovers more efficiently. Green Tea is more than an app. It's lifestyle and an ecosystem made for the new generation of plant lovers. Thank you for listening.